Once you finish the body tube, you're going to be ready to make your nose cone of your rocket. Alright, the first thing you could do is basically just click on this guy here with your regular cursor and delete him, get rid of him. He's kind of in the way sometimes. Right, first thing you're going to do is rotate up to the top of your body tube. Right. Move back towards the center a little bit. And zoom in. Alright, once you're zoomed in, you have your screen about like this. You can use this measurement tool here to make your guidelines. Click on there. Your line should go across, okay, the midpoint, staying in line with the red axis, okay, not directly over it because they're not completely centered. Alright, as long as these two lines are parallel with each other, you should have the lines in the right spot. So one direction, and right here again from the midpoint, across the center. I'm off a little bit, so I'm going to try again. Endpoint. Good. And those are your two guidelines. Okay. Once you've made all the guidelines, you're ready to make the first two lines of your nose cone using the pencil tool. You can click on it there. First, you're going to rotate the screen down a little bit and rotate it. Click on your pencil again, and the two lines you need are from the end point here into the center, and then up 7 inches. 7 inches. Right. Escape. Alright. Once you've made the two lines, you're going to switch to your 2-point arc. And the arc goes from the top of the 7-inch line to this end point here that we just drew. And you need to pull this arc to make it not as flat. Okay, you want to make sure it doesn't pull past the body tube like that, but you want it to have a curve to it. Okay, if you pull it to the right and you click and then rotate, you'll notice that it's not going in the right direction. Okay, it's misshaped. So I'm going to get rid of that, try again. Top of the line to the end point. All right, you want to curve it out a little bit. All right, and if it shades in, that means it completely is flat. Okay, you can rotate around it to check again, but it won't fill in and shade in like that unless it's flat. So as long as it did that, it's most likely correct. All right, again, this is going to be trial and error. All right, once you've made the one view of the shape of your nose cone, you're going to go into Tools and find right here, it's called the Follow Me tool. Click on Follow Me. Click on the side that you just drew, and you want to pull this all the way around. Oh, I messed up right at the end there. Let's try again. Alright, you'll see that it kind of overlapped in one spot. Or we'll try to come back later and fix those little imperfections. But if you can get it close to here, that's pretty good. Alright, and next we'll be working on the fins.